If face paint has ever burned or irritated your skin, then this episode is for you. Welcome to the Mehron Masterclass, everything that you ever wanted to know about face paint. I'm Kristen, and I'm here to teach you tips and tricks of how to use face paint to help you create beautiful SFX and face paint makeup looks. Okay, so let's talk about one of the biggest questions that I get with Mehron. Is it safe for the skin, and is it good for sensitive skin? Mehron is FDA approved. It's also vegan, cruelty-free, gluten-free, and paraben-free, and they claim to be suitable for all skin types, including sensitive skin. And these use cosmetic-grade pigments that are in the same kind of everyday makeup that you would wear on your face. As someone who uses face paints nearly every day and has tried all of the major brands, I feel like it not only has the best colors, but also feels the best on the skin. And after the hundreds of times I've used Mehron face paint, it's never given me any irritation to my skin. And I always recommend doing a patch test, just adding a little bit of paint on somewhere on the skin, then waiting like an hour or so to see if any reaction happens. I would definitely make sure that you try this before adding it everywhere on your skin, just to be sure. So if you're interested in trying out these face paints for yourself, I've linked them down below. If you'd like to learn more about face paint or SFX makeup, be sure to follow so that you can see next week's episode.